Hello guys, and welcome to another exciting video, very informative. And I want to show you how to analyze the markets when you have a chart like this one here. You can see the commodity, the index I want to trade here is tape index 200. Yeah, let me show you how to analyze it. What we first do, if you look at the chart here, you are in the D1. Yeah, let me do this. Let me start markings to show you the markings. If you look here, down here, all the way this other side, price has failed to break to the downside beyond this region. Yeah, meaning this region is strong. It's acting like a support. It's a very strong demand zone. And if you look here on the top here, we have a very strong supply zone or a very strong resistance zone. Price has failed to break beyond this level going up. So price is basically playing between these two regions. Price is basically playing around these regions, these two regions. So it is just bouncing off. It comes here to this support, then bounces off back to the upper side, again back to the support, then bounces off back to the resistance. And again, if we see here, we just anticipate that the same will happen if price fails to break this support, which is a very strong one. But if you look at the market structure here, from the top or from the resistance, the price was coming, making lower low, lower high, lower low, and another lower high, broke this and made another higher high. But if you put your trend lines like this, you'll see it's forming a channel. Yeah, it's forming a channel. And the way we usually trade the strategy I taught you guys is that price, we have a bullish channel here that it looks like a bullish flag. Price will come and test this zone here, and which of course it has tested it, and we expect the price to break from here. Here is where we usually buy and put our SL a few pips below, and our TP to this swing high there, just for example. Okay, so that's basically what we do. So according to the strategy I'm showing you, this region here, the demand and supply zone that price usually respects, has been tested. So what we expect, or what I expect, is now the price has been given a green for go, to go and break this trend line, to go back to this resistance. That's the first anticipation. Or if you look keenly down here, the market usually manipulates people, those who are testing your market usually tests the idiot part in you. So like you can see here, if you did not go to the higher time frame, like the D1 here where I'm doing my analysis from, you'll see the price made lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So from that market structure, if you are an idiot who did not go to the higher time frame, you will see that the price is going to the downside. If you only went to the lower time frames, and being that the market has broken the recent lower low here, meaning the trend should be still going down. I'm not saying it will not go. My anticipation was that after hitting this demand and supply zone, it will go and break this trend line going up. I'll be showing you the results of this trade later, after it should have finished doing whatever it's doing. Then I'll show you if my anticipation was right. So if you are gullible or gullible, I don't know how you pronounce it, but the point is home. You've seen that the market has broken the structure here, made a lower high, broken with a lower low, and you'll expect, being that the trend is still continuing, you'll expect it to make another lower low, which according to me is not the case of what I expect. What I expect is it has tested this demand and supply, it will go up. Or what it can do, you see here, it made a left, according to me, what I think, if it doesn't go straight up, it has made a left shoulder, or whatever we call a quasimodo. This here, left shoulder with the head at the bottom. My another anticipation is that it will make something like this. Then a left shoulder will come at around this region here, so that this will be the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder will be somewhere here, if it doesn't go straight up. Yeah, or else it can also do this might act as the first bottom, then it comes back to this region again to make the second bottom, and it becomes a double bottom. Those are my expectations, but I know it's going to go up. Okay, yeah, that's how we do our analysis. And still, for me to know that it will go up again, if it comes and breaks this lower high and changes character, or market structure shift, kind of those terminologies, but there's no need for those terminologies. What we do, if it breaks this the recent high and comes back with a retest, it's a green for go. It has collected the orders that were put at this supply and demand zone, for it to go and to this other supply zone here. That's my expectation. Yeah. Or we can still go to the lower time frames to see clearer. If you go here, you see price initially made a pattern, and it broke it. Let's measure if the first TP and the second TP were reached, but I told you to usually take the first TP. The first TP, measure the inside of the channel. Measure the inside of the channel and place it like this. The first TP was reached. Yeah, the first TP was reached. What about the second TP? the second TP. Like I said, you just do that and come and measure it here. The second TP was also reached, yeah. So that's also confirming that the trend will now go up. The first and the second TP has been reached, as the first leg here equals to the second leg here. The leg and this other leg are equal or almost equal, meaning the price is now about to change the tune and go up. And that's it for now. I'll be keeping you updated for more. And guys, kindly subscribe, share, comment. I'll be giving you free forex knowledge, free trading knowledge, tips and tricks of the market. Subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.